Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make someone admin on a group on Messenger. If at the end of this video guys you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, how do you make someone an admin on a group on Messenger? First thing to do is to go to your Messenger and open it up. Now from there, go ahead and click on the group you want to make someone an admin. Click on the group. Now it will bring you to this page. Go ahead and click on this member icon. It will display people in that group. Now go ahead and click on that person's name to display this message where you have video call, audio call, Facebook profile, make admin. Just go ahead and click on make admin. Now a message will pop up, add group admin. As a group admin, this will be able to manage who can join and customize the conversation. Just go ahead and click on make admin. Now I've made this particular person as an admin of this group. If you click on these admins, you will see we have 2 people. So guys, that is how to make someone an admin on Messenger. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.